think it's really important to highlight successes within the industry for vendors such as ourselves and the users of them to come forward, put solutions forward and innovations that the wider audience and other people in the industry can take on board and try and replicate. And I think that only strengthens the appeal of the UK IT industry, but also ensures that there's constant innovation in the field as well. A lot. We're very proud of our innovations and how we look at relationships with our end users, the user of our technology, and our partners who have been sort of implemented within this solution as well and a part of that. And I think to sort of push the innovations and risk getting new technologies that are usable into the market to win something like this, and would be a really proud moment for us. For me, I think actually this is a cultural one, not a technology. We obviously push the boundaries of what's possible in communication and security. However, we've had some really good success and rapid growth, but within that we've stayed really true to our company values, our core values, which are all around support, collaboration, building solid relationships, as well as the innovation sort of life cycle of our products and bringing out new things. And I think through that growth, this can sometimes wobble, certainly the culture. It's not always rosy, and it's stressful when you're sort of here, there and everywhere. So I think for the company to remain true to its values and what it believes in through this growth period has been really, really successful, and it's something I'm really proud of. Well, the people are what make us, to be honest, and I think them being so accountable and forward thinking and believing in what we want to achieve with our not only our growth plans but our innovations within the market. We're a 54-year-old company within this industry, and we still strive to treat ourselves as a startup with that mentality of always wanting to enhance, always wanting to grow, and always building closer and tighter bond with partners, other vendors and integrators and end users alike. And I think, through this growth and through these bringing new products to market, having the belief that this is the right thing, not just provide and sell what we always used to do, I think is a really good thing. So there's challenges within this and constantly reinventing our mindsets and moving forward and being brave. And I think that's the key thing, accountability and bravery of our people that sit within the company, across all companies, or across all teams. I think the IT industry has really solidified itself as a business driver. I think the enhancements with AI and cloud platforms have made people more agile, companies more agile, and being able to churn out innovations quicker, support end users quicker and more effectively, and build new teams to develop these things. So I think that's probably the biggest part of change this year, is the adoption of AI. And I think changes that need to still to make. I still think we need to get our heads around this. It's a little bit of a buzzword, so to speak. It allows you to think big and think very creatively, but I think then defining that to succinct, logical, simple technologies and delivering them it is probably where we need to hone in on and get that fast and change this buzzword to really useful implementations of technology. Kind of where I left off in question 5, really, artificial intelligence. We cannot ignore this. There's huge opportunities and potential for vendors and for end users alike to make use of these technologies. I think the key thing is to make it simple. I think where I've been most impressed with AI is, yes, the big, high-level, holistic TED Talks that you see and what is achievable, but there's so much in this which is just kind of too much, I think, to bring in. So I think allowing small, bite-sized, logical pieces of AI that focus on efficiency or usable data or automation of sort of mundane tasks I think this is probably where we capitalise, and where others, I believe, will capitalise as well. We're all within the same mindset. So taking AI, making it fundamentally usable in a very, very easy way, and I think everyone can grow and prosper from this.